Hello everyone. So after we drove this car in the sea and the forest and the river, we got some problems. The car is working fine, but the only thing that happened, the car crashed uh, in one occasion and bumped into the soil so hardly that the battery flew out and actually turned out one of the connections, this kind of connection, which was here. So now I need to put it back. So I have these connectors here. They're not the best ones, but they're easy and quick to fix. This kind of connectors used by electricians. So what I do, I take out this plastic thing. It's flexible, you can squeeze it. But sometimes I have problems squeezing this metal part. So first of all, I'll make sure I can squeeze that metal part correctly. We don't have enough room, but because the cable is pretty short, put it in here, inside, like this. And now I need to squeeze it like this and put on the plastic case for insulation reasons, so we don't have any shortening. You need to apply a lot of power here and make sure you don't tear off the cable from its place. So looks to be not very tight, so I need to apply more pressure. And now it seems to be tight. And now I put on this casing and press it again. Press the casing now. Just flexible. So now it squeezes the cable itself and provides insulation. So now it should be okay. I mean, you better buy a better connector. I mean, normally I don't like these connectors, but they've been working fine. Make sure you never connect the wrong cables. The red one goes with red one, black one goes with black one. Otherwise you can destroy the remote control unit. Let's check the connection. Should be tight, so it is tight. And another one, black one. So now we can see if it works. Yes, you can see it's working. I disconnected the motor, the electrical motor, and the front lights, because the car needed to be cleaned off the salty water and the sand particles. What happened when I was driving this car on the beach, a lot of sand particles entered the chassis part in here, and as you can see there's a moving bar, plastic bar, and the electrical motor is here. When the sand gets in, there's a possibility that the particles block this mechanism, so you need to be very careful when you drive it on the beach. If it goes in the direction and gets closer to the water, if the wheels get blocked, you may not be able to drive it out on time far further from the water, and it can get into water. I mean, this car, as you've seen, can be waterproof, but it doesn't mean that you can put a lot of water on it. Meanwhile, I still was able to wash this car. I just sprinkle water on it, You can see there's a hole in the electrical motor. It's now open. I just opened it to make sure that there's no humidity inside to make it dry. So when I use the hair dryer to dry the car, it warmed up the chassis. You warm up the chassis so that the water evaporates. That's why I took out all the cables, so I cleaned the car. So what else I lost during this drive test? Because of a lot of vibration, the fixation clips also sometimes fly away, and what happened is that I lost some of them. I actually lost only one, so now I will have to make one more using a paper clip. So this thing happens, you don't have to buy them, you just make them on your own, by yourself. So you can use different colors. Okay, so I'm taking the red one, and what I do here is very easy. You can see the shape. I get this wire straight, and I put this clip that I have, the fixation clip, like this. Get the length. Use these pliers. This kind of pliers are comfortable to use because they have this kind of shape that helps me to achieve the result, the desired result. What I do is bend it like this first, and then I get this shape, then I pick it up again and I bend it again like this. Now I get this shape, you see, and now I have to bend it again. These pliers just work perfectly well because they give me the desired form. So I already got this form, and just one more time like this. So I got this, and I'm almost done with it. I'll just cut the rest of the wire. And I've got the same piece in 1 minute, and we just put it on the car. So these are the small things that you have to deal with, which is also good to do to come up with the solutions. You may invent something else, use your imagination, or you can go to a store, buy some other clips that may be used this way, or any other part that can be used to replace the things that you lose when you drive these cars. So we're good to go. Next adventures are waiting for us. We'll put the battery inside. We'll make sure everything is connected, and we'll be ready for the next video shot. Thank you, and see you later.